Hey guys, Madison from Madison Art here. Today I'm gonna do a fluid flower string pull. I asked you guys if you wanted a tutorial on my Instagram and you said yes. So here we go, let's get started. So we're gonna take our yarn and first just swirl it around in our cup. I did get a little paint on my boots, that's okay. So I have it swirled around in my cup. I'm going to take the colors that I want for my flower. And put them in the cup. Alright, now that we have our paints layered here, I'm going to take this cup, once all of the yarn is covered, take this cup and put it on the side. So for today I wanted to do just something super simple and do a black and white background. So I'm going to take my white paint and cover my canvas. Again, I like to do this so later I don't have to go back in and go, oh my gosh, there's a bare spot, or I don't have to force the paint to glide somewhere just because there isn't paint. Okay. Doesn't have to be perfect. Can always go in and touch it up later. Awesome. I have another cup here. I'm going to fill it up with some white and black. Let's do just a little bit of blue. Okay. Let's take this, and I'm just gonna let it go. All right, so that turned out a little wild for our background. A big suggestion that I have for these fluid flowers, at least the string pulls, is you do not want a big puddle of paint that you are pulling your string pull through. The reason is all of your paint is then going to just sink in the puddle, or it's going to mix with the puddle, and your flower is not going to be very pronounced. Okay, so I think it's time to do our flower. Now, I am going to flip this. I really like this whole side, so what I'm going to do is make my flower come right here. I'm just going to pull a little up and to the side, so it's not in the way. Now we have our cup that's been sitting over here on the side. And carefully just pull it up and let it go around in the circles you created. Pull up all of those colors. Awesome. And I would maybe let it drip for a second or two. And then bring it over and look where you want your start point, and just try to lay it down. And then me, I like to do an S pattern back and forth. You don't have to go all the way down. I think I'm going to. And then you just want to pull towards the center of where you laid that string pull. And if you just start pulling gently and gliding, you should start creating your flowers. And then I have a little container on the side here. I like to set all of my strings in. And then when they're dry, I just dump them. Here we have our fluid flower. I'm gonna tip off just a little bit of that paint on the bottom there that's pooling. And then it may not always turn out perfect. Like you may have some areas like right here where you lose some of the stem, and that's fine. I find when you try to go back and fix that is usually when you start to hate what you've done to it. So if it's not perfect, you know, embrace some of that. I think I actually want to put one more flower on here. So I'm going to take my little cup, bring it back. I have another piece of string or yarn. Okay. Get off my finger. Okay. So I want to do red as the base. Some with this blue. And purple. Awesome. Again, make sure all of your yarn is covered with paints. You can even tap it to the bottom to get out those air bubbles. I'm going to move you to the side just one more time. Pull out my string. And run it right here. Alright, I hope this works. Woo-hoo.
with it. I'm happy with it. Alright you guys, this was a lot of fun to create. I hope you guys learned something, and I hope you guys just enjoyed the overall video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. I'd love to get the feedback. If you have any suggestions or any comments, leave them down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day.